Hello folks, and welcome back to Heritage Builders. We are out here at Lot 36 in Mustang Ridge working on our Ailey project out here. We've got a lot of progress to talk about real quick. We are here with Darren Freeman, our master builder.
Hello everybody.
And Darren, a lot has gone on here since our last video, so I'm sure we can't spend too much time because we'll probably be here all day, but if you'd like, go ahead and just kind of point out some of the highlights of where we are at this stage in this project.
All right, well, I think I mentioned on some of the earlier videos that our plumbing is all complete, and we call this the rough end on the top. And so we've already been through all the inspections on it. Our independent inspector has been out here. The city inspector has been out here and looked at all that. They've also looked at all the electrical, so all the electrical is roughed in. When I say roughed in, it's all ready for sheetrock. That'll be our next step. We've had the security and surveillance personnel out here, and they do all of our low voltage systems for us, or any security wiring. And so they put their security system in. It's all right here. Here's all their home runs. This is where it'll all take place. And then we went ahead and covered this wall with sheetrock. Now the garage is on the other side of this wall. So we're going to be spray foaming this particular project. So we put sheetrock on this wall because it is a common wall. The spray foam has to be on this wall that separates it from the garage.
Got it.
So we went ahead and sheetrocked that wall so that the spray foam has a backing to spray against.
So that's in line with what we saw before. We know you put that
put Tyvek and house
Tyvek material, right?
Right up through there.
Right. So up here, folks, as you recall, we have that Tyvek material that's going to serve as the backing for the spray foam up above. But obviously down here, we prefer to use that nice sheetrock to accomplish the same task. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Yep. And then you won't be able to see it at this particular moment, but in the attic, we have to have the attic and the garage completely insulated and separated from the house on a spray foam job. So we've actually put an exterior walk door in the attic, and I don't know if we can see it from over at this view. You probably can see it better from over here.
I think we definitely pointed that out once before. So yeah, folks, just to see that again there, and the door is actually in. So there's that door, folks. Before that was just a big old hole, and now you can see that Darren's guys have come on in. That was part of putting in all the doors and windows, is my guess.
So back to the security and the low voltage. We've got some wiring that's set in the wall right here. We went ahead and pre-wired 3 different locations, so the homeowner has an option. So when they get in here, they want to see where their security panel is going to be set. We can put it in 3 different locations for them. And these folks are not local, so it's not like they can run out here to ask those specific questions. So we went ahead and just pre-wired for them so they'd have some options.
Got it.
And above that, Elliot, I think we've covered everything in previous videos. We've got the archways in. If you look up here, we put blocking in so that when we hang the ventilation system for the stove, it's going to be an island cooktop.
Oh, that's right. We've got a freestanding ventilation system. We talked about that, right?
Yeah, so we've installed blocking up there so we can have a good solid mount when we mount that. And other than that, we come out here and in the garage, I'll show you one more thing. So we've got the water softener and hot water, so we built a little bench for them, and we'll sheetrock that and finish it out real pretty. And this is where your hot water tank and your water softener will set.
Right.
So that's about it. I think, like I said, I think we've covered everything. I think we've covered about everything else in previous videos, but certainly if anybody has any questions, feel free to make a comment and subscribe to our page and like our page for us. That'd be great, and we'd be happy to get back with you with any comments or questions.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Dan. I really do appreciate all that. So the next steps here we're looking at, we know that the spray foam guys will be in probably, in a couple days, I would guess, at this stage, right?
Yep, they'll be here in a couple of days.
So we have everything that's supposed to be in the walls is in the walls from the exterior perspective, and we're ready to do that spray foam treatment and get this house insulated. So that'll be our next visit. So we're really excited about that. Can't wait to see that happen, and we hope you are too. So stay tuned, and we'll be in touch in a few days.
See y'all.
Thanks for visiting Heritage Builders.